All right, Eric Stromquist and the man, the myth, the legend, the one, the only Kenny Smyers.
Hello.
And we are in front of the Coliseum. We just met with some clients. We're getting ready to go on a little tour here. And Kenny, man, I think there's some parallels, man, because we've seen a lot of great art and architecture where people cooperate and create beautiful works of art. And here, my friend, we are seeing where the violence took place.
Well, I think, just going back to talk about things briefly, we heard in Detroit about people leaving behind the signature work, and basically taking pride and taking ownership, and not just getting into the job and getting out, but really truly putting in a structure that you can be proud of. So we came to Europe, came to EasyIO, and we got to talk to a lot of European versus contractors, general contractors that use the IT division to spearhead what we call the master systems integration, to make sure there's no silo left behind, no silo being left out there and not integrated. So we met with these folks here, and now they're telling us how they get inspired. They take these buildings that are 500. We're staying at a hotel that's 300 years old, and they've retrofitted it and taken all the modern technology. So they're using wireless, they're using the different split systems, and they're using all this technology. So we got a chance to come here. We're outside the Coliseum, and they talked about the intentions of building things to last beyond 100 years and have systems being future-proof. So that's our concept. That's our takeaway, is that when you have the opportunity to retrofit or build something new, you're going to build it so that we can get the smart connected building assured and then future-proof, so that you're not leaving anybody in exile.
Well, I got a little bit different take. I think that the Coliseum is how things have been going business-wise, which is competitive, low price wins, dog eat dog, lion eats elephant, elephant tramples rhinoceros, and gladiators kill gladiators. That's kind of how the competitive landscape has been. And what we're hearing in Europe is, well, there's a better way to do that. You still have to have competitive pricing, but it's more about driving cost out of the chain and not killing people like on the killing fields here at the Coliseum. So that's my take, Kenny Smyers.
Well, I think there's a bit, again, we're stretching because of the, making an analogy with this is not very difficult, but you make the very valid point. The competition was the king. The idea was to decimate your competition. Now we're seeing a collaboration. We're seeing a whole development where everybody wins if you expand the market. Just like in America, 80% of the buildings here too are under-serviced. They need automation, and the best way to do it is to embrace technology and make it open.
Yeah, so what Ken and I are trying to say is, instead of fighting over the pizza pie, just make the pizza pie bigger. So that's Ken Smyers and Eric Stromquist from Control Trends. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and check us out at Control Talk Now. As they say in Italy, ciao, or
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Ciao.
Ciao.
Arrivederci. And we're out.